talk, but easy, no, brother. You must can fix that, man. You must can fix that. The body, no, you must can fix that.
Oh,
Yeah, man, you man, dog. You don't know I got it back there. I got it back there. I'm telling you, I can't chop it down here.
You know everybody been waiting on that baby, man. I mean it like ever since baby on baby drop, man. Ever since baby on baby drop. Ain't nobody drop shit. Let's go. Ha. I needed some shit with some bop in it. Let's go. I flew past the whip with that blunt in my mouth, watched it swerving. That whip had a cop in it. My bitch got good pussy, fly her across the country. I finished the show and I hop in it. I got me a milli, I did it.
Yeah, people, you don't know, say, this is the ending of our video. I just want to like and subscribe. I don't know, say, Alka Supreme I talk to, you know. Tell him the HD.
Yo, one official HD, as you can see me and Alka do it in the day, you see me, brother in there. So we just chop up something for the people them go and view. You see me, and stay tuned, cause new freestyle suit drop on the block, you know. You see me, what's the Alka?
Yeah, people, you don't know, so be artist about. Yo, we out.
And look out for the vlogs them sooner or later.